Traditional tents might appear impressive in marketing shots, but when you're battling weather or assembling them in darkness, reality hits hard. Inflatable tents are silently revolutionizing camping convenience. No scattered poles to misplace, no frustrating connections to fumble with. Simply unroll, inflate, and watch it take shape. Today, we're exploring 7 of the most reliable air-supported shelters available. Let's dive in. The Exod Pod 01. This one looks like something straight out of a sci-fi film, and honestly, it feels just as advanced. It's more like a portable base camp packed into a backpack. No joke, it folds down to 34L bundle and weighs just under 10 kilos. That's light enough to throw on your back and hit the trail, even if the terrain gets tough. It's built for harsh weather. We're talking strong winds, cold altitudes, wet nights. This thing was tested in Iceland and at 2,500 meters in the Alps, and it holds up. You also get a roomy 4.2 square meters of floor space, so it's great for 2 people with gear, or even up to 4 in a pinch. Inside, it's laid out smart. Packets, wall organizer, even room to stash the hand pump. Once it's inflated, it feels more like a pod shelter than a tent. This one fits folks who care about mobility but don't want to trade comfort or protection. This one feels more like a suite than a tent. The London Prestige by Sonmez is built for those who want luxury in the wild without giving up comfort. It fits 4 to 6 people depending on the setup, and you've got everything from a sunroof to stove compatibility packed inside this one piece. The airframe structure is no joke. 15-centimeter tubes made with Valmex boat-grade material. Just hook up the smart valve system and your tent inflates in minutes with no air loss. There's a built-in rain guard over the door, fully taped seams, and fabric that shrugs off wind, snow, and UV rays like it's nothing. It's got some noticeable details. There's 5 windows with mosquito nets, privacy curtains, panoramic ceiling panels, and a stove jack that's fully fireproof. Even small things like reflective guidelines, zippered covers, and electric hookup points make a difference here. If you want hotel-level comfort in a forest clearing, this one nails it. Now, if you're thinking that's a tough act to follow, wait till we talk about something built for full-on group camping. This one's clever. Heimplanet's The Cave has been around for a while now, and it's easy to see why. It's compact, tough, and built to set up fast with just a pump. The pump isn't built in, but once you hook one up, it's just one inflation step to get the whole tent standing. Thanks to its multi-chamber design, each airframe section locks in, giving you extra safety in case any part gets damaged. The dome shape is more than just looks. 10 crossing points hold the tent steady even in bad weather. You can feel how strong it is once it's up, like it was made to handle what nature throws at it. On the inside, you've got enough room for 2 or 3 people with solid headroom in the center. The storage pockets help you stay organized, and the upgraded ripstop fabric feels nice and quiet even in wind. The family-sized zone. The Crew Accore 6 is more of a home base than a simple shelter. It's the kind of setup that works for festivals, weekend trips, or longer stays with the crew. Even though it's bigger, setup's still dead simple. Just inflate the airframe poles, and it's standing in about a minute. One of the big wins here is the modular design. You can connect up to 3 smaller crew tents to the sides, which means more rooms and space for extra folks, up to 12 people total if you go all in. It also has a smart tailgate-friendly porch that can even fit a car underneath, perfect for gear or shade. You've got a full 5,000mm waterproof rating here, plus a big porch that can shelter a truck or just serve as a shaded hangout zone. Inside, it fits 6 adults comfortably, and ventilation's handled with 6 vents placed to cut down condensation, plus a full mesh bug screen and skylights up top. Those skylights are a nice touch for stargazing, especially on clear nights. If you're after space, strength, and a cozy cabin vibe, the Panda Air Large by RBM Outdoors is worth a look. It's a full-size canvas shelter with one big open room. Just inflate it with the included pump and you're good to go. Setup takes around 7 minutes with no poles or framework needed. Inside, it's 12 square meters of living space with enough room for 4 on-air mattresses or 6 in sleeping bags. The canvas body holds heat well, but still breathes, which means you stay warm in cold months and cool in warmer weather. A stove jack is built in too, so you can heat the space safely during colder trips. The windows, 10 in total, include 2 roof panels for stargazing, plus removable TPU plastic covers that keep out cold air without blocking the view. Mesh panels take care of airflow, and the whole build holds up to rain, wind, and snow. If you want a tent that feels more like a tiny home, this one brings it all together. This one's a great pick for couples or small families who want comfort without going overboard. The Zemper Evo TM2 brings together good space, smart layout, and just the right extras to keep things easy going at camp. It's a 3-season air tent with solid structure and one of the better layouts in this size range. There's a big front awning that works as a shaded hangout or dining spot. Inside, the sleeping area feels cozy and dark thanks to that light diffusing fabric that blocks morning light. If you're trying to sleep in, this tent helps. You've also got PVC skylights that brighten up the space and a full rear window that pulls in cool air without losing privacy. The frame uses Zemper's Syrinx system, which locks the beams to the fly sheet for better wind response. It sleeps 4 comfortably or 6 if you want to stretch it. The zip-out divider turns the rear space into 2 rooms, and there's a side entry for easy access. It's simple, smart, and built for relaxed trips. Here's a tent that feels like a roomy outdoor suite. The Air12 from NatureHike is big enough for 4 people and keeps things simple while giving you more than just shelter. It's lightweight for the size, just over 11 kilos, and it packs down well enough for regular use. Setup's easy. The airframe tubes fill fast with the included pump, and you don't have to worry about aluminum poles or long instructions. Once it's up, the whole build feels solid and ready for changing weather. You've got a strong nylon shell with ripstop weave, a 3,000mm waterproof rating, and a rain-ready awning that keeps moisture outside where it belongs. Inside, it's quiet and comfortable. Breathable nylon and built-in mosquito netting help with airflow while keeping bugs out. There are upper vents, gear pockets, and enough space to stretch out with ease. Whether you're heading out with family or just want a little extra room, this one makes base camp feel more like home. So that was our video on 7 best inflatable tents for camping.